Okay, I am here in the in student view. I'm under discussion board. I'm in student view, like I just said. Okay. Now I've completed these three because you can see the check mark. Office hours and textbook I can look at. I mark as done. And I click next. Oh, let's see. Okay. All right. Oh, okay. So mark is done. Click next. See what happens. All right. Mark is done. Click next. Mark is done. Click next. Mark is done. Click next. It's done. Click next. Okay, and it took me all the way through to week 1, May 16th. What I would suggest at this point is he meaning ITS did a refresh. So log out, log back in, and try it. And let me know if that doesn't work, because this is stumped. I've not had this happen. Okay, so, and if you're using a Mac, uh, I would suggest calling ITS because I know absolutely nothing about a Mac or, you know, Google it and see if they have the same problem. Um, those are my suggestions at this point because it worked for me and I'm in student view. As you can see here now, it'll show me I leave student view and exit drawing. Okay, so um, you know, that looks like it seems to be working here in Read Chapter 1. Yep, PowerPoints. Let's see if in student view we can, okay, looks like it may take a while for it to download. Okay, mine downloaded here. Yeah, see, it's still spinning, so there you go. All right, so that may take a while. All right, and click next. And this is where you put your introduction. You can see mine. Click next. This is the paper with the rubric. Read the rubric so you know what I'm expecting. And then the signed syllabus, your signature here and date. Yes, you can do one electronically. I don't have a file extension on the submission, so if you want to take a picture of it with your print it out, sign it, date it, take a picture of it and submit it through your phone. That's all right also. I'm not particular. I just need the last page of this. Okay, and then click next. And then, the quiz. There's no time limit. Next. And then we'd be on to week 2. Okay, so give that a try. Let me know.